Bike feels like I'm feeling a woman. Alright, so we're here riding with Wyatt, my brother-in-law. Oh crap. You can see I'm a professional at riding. Some bitch! This is Wyatt's bike I'm riding actually right now.
Ninja 300 Special Edition 2015.
2015. What made you decide to get this bike?
Hell of a lot cheaper than the one I originally wanted.
Which one?
Ninja 650.
Ninja 650?
Yeah, or the R6. The new R6 though is like 12 grand, so I got both of these for cheaper than that.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's good just getting around.
But
not if you wanna like race or anything like that.
They got some get up and go though.
You can go all the way to 12,000 RPMs. It hits the rev limiter at 13. Seriously, you can if you want. That's where that's where the real power is at.
Maybe I will later.
It's not like it's gonna lose.
Like no, I'm just kidding. Hey, what up, girl? I thought this jacket was gonna be hot as shit, but it's not.
I got vents in it that are open, so you get a little bit of a breeze inside. Yeah, I'm gonna get a speeding ticket one of these days. You're back on.
Dope. That semi was hauling ass for a semi.
Were you even going 80?
Yeah, I hit 80 and he was like still behind me. I was like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Well, you guys just missed out on the fucking freeway. The freeway was ridiculous and I wish we recorded it, but the wind was like literally blowing me off the bike and I was like
you don't want to go back?
No, I'm good. Next episode. But yeah, and this semi was like, I was getting on the freeway and this fucking semi was riding my ass and I hit 80 and he was still riding my ass. I was like, what the hell? Fuck that guy. This is America. He could have passed me if he wanted to.
Ready?
Let's go after this truck. I don't want him fucking hitting me.
He looked at me.
What's up, dude? Vamonos. I don't think I tied my chin strap now that I think about it.
The struggles of moto vlogging is there's always a fucking issue and you don't actually get to ride your bike a whole lot.
These brakes work superb.
Use the front brake more than the back brake.
Oh shit, it's an old person. Watch out.
Why do old people always wear really weird sunglasses?
I don't know.
Blinker.
Oh yeah. Cornfields among cornfields everywhere. Here we go. 69, haha.
You're like hardcore speeding.
Oh, am I? God damn. It don't feel like it. My blinker, damn it.
Hey, you remembered. I was just about to actually remind you.
So at the end of this road, we're gonna take a right.
Oh, is it dead end?
No, at the end.
That smells like shit.
Yeah, there's cows.
The vodka.
Getting up.
Shit!
God damn it! Oh, it is shit. Who the fuck's shitting on the road? Damn, bruh. My blinker was on. Alright, we're good. Damn, the air like sucks me tight when I stand back up. Felt like Dragon Ball Z. Flying past each other. I feel like a video game.
Oh man.
What?
This jacket's so tight.
Shouldn't have bought a woman's size for yourself, dude.
You're wearing my jacket.
It is a very nice jacket I made.
Gotta air the balls out. Sweating.
Yeah. Oh shit, there's a hole. I don't know how to turn that well.
So whatever way you turn, the bike goes opposite. So you gotta get in your head, okay, well I want to turn right, so I'm gonna lean and slightly turn the wheel left. Except for when you're going slow. But it's because it turns itself into a gyroscope.
Where you at? Oh.
Turns itself into a gyroscope, so it wants to do whatever it takes to stay upright. So if it's like, okay, well, we're turning left, so we need to lean right.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Huh. I'll catch up. Oh, I'm not good with hills.
Hills, just ride the clutch. Just don't worry about burning my clutch or nothing. It's fine.
Oh, fucking shit on my dick. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. Catching up now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, turn right and lean left. And shift down. Cool.
Your blinker's on though.
I just turned it off.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Large fries, motherfucker. Hard eyes, motherfucker.
Sunrise, motherfucker. Cream pie, motherfucker.
Cream pie, motherfucker. Snake eyes, motherfucker.
Isn't that when you like,
Oh, yeah. Everybody, what up, dude? Oh, what? That's the wrong. That's not the horn.
You're pushing the starter.
Yeah.
Blinker.
Ta-da. Yo, what up, girl?
Yeah, the 1200, I think, and it crossed the gold minutes.
How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing? They all left. They were all in the fire truck.
Oh shit, I put my brights on. I don't even know how I did that. Oh.
Your blinker.
Blinker, yes. So used to the car turning it off for me.
Right. Did it come up at all?
Yeah, a little bit. So that was a quick ride along with Wyatt, my brother-in-law. Subscribe to his channel, GT Dub, linked in the description below. We gotta get him to 10,000 subscribers so he can reveal his face, his helmet. So make sure you guys subscribe down below for more fuckery videos. Follow us on Snapchat. Wait, do you have Snapchat? I don't think he does.
Not really.
I'll put all his other stuff up though. And follow Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. My name is Yui. And we out. Like shots.